Hey everyone, Ben Runo here, and here on my channel we do tech reviews, talk about news stories, and do Let's Plays. And today what we're going to be doing is reviewing the Sennheiser Momentum in-ear wired headphones. These are the latest pair of headphones that I picked up, and they came with something I wasn't expecting. A cord. Now if you're like me and you've owned an iPhone for the last few years, it's probably been a while since you used a wired pair of headphones, and it was for me too, but I did want to give them a fair shake, so I ran them through their paces anyway. Here is some of what I noticed. The first thing I noticed is that when you're used to taking your phone in and out of your pocket to skip songs or to hit the like button on a song, sometimes the headphones will come unplugged from that jostling, which obviously doesn't happen with wireless headphones. And besides that, the cord, when it moves around and touches things, that interference will come through in what you're listening to. On the plus side, you never have to worry if you're going to make it through a workout because as long as your phone has juice, these do. Besides that, on the plus side, the cord is relatively long, so I never ran out of space. And the build quality on these is pretty nice, so I didn't worry about breaking them at all. Now what I have to say is the biggest positive with these headphones is they have great sound quality. Not only do you get great dynamic range, you also get a surprising amount of bass for such a small set of drivers. Also, there is a small but definitely noticeable increase in quality for these wired headphones over wireless earbuds I've used in this form factor. I'd say the difference is about 5 to 10%. Now the last positive I have to talk about is the packaging. Now not only is there some great presentation here, there's really good packaging so you don't have to worry about the headphones getting damaged. It also comes with 3 extra sets of ear tips to make sure that there's one for your size ear canal. And it also comes with this really nice carrying case, which is a hard clamshell case so that you don't crush the headphones in your pocket. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts on these headphones. Now, first, I just want to address, would I use these headphones despite them being wired? And the answer is honestly no. I really can't understate the amount of freedom that having wireless headphones gives you. But I do want to be fair to these headphones, so while the occasional disconnect or cord distortion was disappointing, I was really impressed by the stellar build quality, great carrying case that's included, and the top-notch sound quality. My final rating for these is going to be a 7 out of 10, and I only recommend them if you're looking for a wired set of headphones. And that's going to wrap up today's video. Now, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.